Hello, welcome to UU Green Power online channel. Australia's diverse climate presents unique challenges, with salt in the air, dust in the wind, and scorching sun. From the bustling cities to the remote areas, each location is testing the limits of charging technology. That's why UU Green Power built this 22 kW DC Wallbox charger. With independent air duct design to reach IP65 protection level, it is designed to thrive while others fail in Australia. Thanks to UU Green Power independent air duct module, featuring a fully isolated component design, it is dust-proof, waterproof, and fully shielded against coastal humidity and salt mist. Now in operation in Sydney, our 22 kW DC Wallbox charger runs reliably with zero maintenance, day after day. It could fully top up your cars in less than 2 hours, fast and worry-free. No more wasting your precious time waiting to charge. Operating quietly at under 55 dB, let's say goodbye to noisy charging and enjoy a truly premium charging experience. Whether it's in city car parks, scenic spots, hotels, or other destinations, it performs reliably in every condition. Now for Australian market, our 22 kW DC Wallbox charger has gained CE/CB certification, supporting OCPP and different communication interfaces. UU Green Power 22 kW DC Wallbox charger, smart, tough, safe, free to maintain, built for Australia. Best choice for destination charging. Contact us for more information.